All right, guys, the charts that we'll be looking at on Monday in GreatStockPicks.com live trading chat room. No particular order here, and you'll notice pretty much all of them are bounce plays. So does that mean we dive in any of these at the open? Of course not. We wait and see what the market does, and then we wait and see if we get an intraday setup that looks like a good long, because these stocks, at least short-term, oversold. A lot of them to support. This ACI, not a good example of one to support. But this is an example of this blue line here. You kind of see the trend line. See the shape change there? I drew another line here for the last 4 days and the volume. If these were 5-minute candles on an intraday basis and it did this, I would be looking for a turn here. I would be playing this as our famous PFPD, or potential final push down. So we have a daily chart here. This could be a sign of capitulation in ACI. May give a long setup on Monday. We'll see. Again, I'm not that excited about it, but I wanted to share the idea. Aruba Networks, ARUN, has fallen to this 18 support and held it pretty well on Friday. So another one we'll be looking as a possible bounce play. Foster Wheeler, FWLT, nice support around 22. It's fallen 3 days to get there. Again, same thing, worth watching. HOLX had resistance here at 17, became support right here. So anyway, this fell pretty quickly over the last week or so. So again, another one to support. This is our starting list, and we may not trade any of these on Monday. Most of what I do is built on a list that I build first thing in the morning on unusual volume and play those. But these are also good to have a starting spot. So HUN. Nice breakout last week, and then now a pullback to recent highs on lower volume. So this one, again, a good candidate if the market shows some strength. And WPRT, if you didn't go back and look how significant 2750 or the 2750 area is, resistance back here, support for a good 2 months right here, dip below it but back. And now it's down to this area. This thing was $50 in the middle of March. So worth watching here around 27.50. It doesn't mean we buy it at 27.50, but if it gets to that area, we'll be looking for one of our long setups. And so that's it. That's our starting list for Monday for our chat room. I look to find other trades. Again, these bounce plays, I guess it's not unusual to have a list of bounce plays when the market's been soft for several days. So, a lot of stocks follow. I try to find stocks that are significantly near support in case we have some strength in the market on Monday. And if not, we'll build a list of other stocks to trade as the day unfolds. Okay, so right now, I'm getting ready to probably go watch my St. Louis Blues lose their 4th straight to the Kings. I now know how Kansas City Chiefs fans feel. It's tough. It's tough loving a team that never quite gets there for you. But nonetheless, I love pain, so I'm going to go watch the game. And have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday.